it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This is an absolutely gorgeous car, 138 True Super Sport, 396, 5-speed Tremec, 12-bolt, a real ACO black car with black interior. It's got new rally wheels on it, absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. And we're going to take a look at this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Like I've said, it's finished in beautiful black. That black is just deep as can be on this car. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got the bumper guards on it, which are my personal favorite. On any 66 Chevelle, got to have the bumper guards. Absolutely beautiful. That chrome all looks good. All the badges are in great shape. No fading on the badges. Look good. Like I said, brand new rally wheels on this car right here. Just really, really beautiful. Like I said, deep, dark black paint on this car right here. Take a look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interior's in beautiful shape. It does have the gauges in the dash. Optional gauge package, clock in the console. Like I said, it's got the 5-speed Tremec transmission. Very, very beautiful. Seats look great. Headliner looks good. No rips or tears. So, show you the bottom of the doors here. All really look good. It's really, really nice. Shut the door here. Take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk's finished beautifully. Has a nice splatter paint to it, and I'll show you here. Get it open. So the trunk, like I said, has a beautiful splatter paint. Really, really looks good. Nice and clean. It's got the trunk stickers. Trunk lid looks good. No dings or cracks in the paint. Gonna shut the lid here. And Dad's gonna for us. We'll see how it sounds. Sounds good. I'm gonna cut it off here. It really, really sounds good. Looks good. The only thing you'd really have to do with this car is just take it and have a big shelf built for all the trophies that you get for winning trophies with this car right here, because it is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, true black car out of the factory. It's got the gauges in the dash. It's really, really nice. All the chrome on the pedals. 5-speed transmission. Show you the bottom of the doors. Door panel looks good. Just beautiful car. Shut the door here. Take a look underneath that hood. And like I said, underneath the hood's powered by a 396. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. This is a true ACO black car out of the factory. Let me show you that right there. You can pause that and take a picture of it. It is an Atlanta built car as well. But show you this side here. Show you that side there. All right. Gonna shut the hood here. We'll take one more quick look at the 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Like I said, this is a 138 True Super Sport car, and it's 396 5-speed 12-bolt. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this car out the road and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. This car is, like I said, a true black car out of the factory. Absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to take it for a ride. It's got a new radio in it. It does work, but I can't show you on YouTube due to copyright purposes. If you'd like to see that, just give me a call. Be glad to send you a video of the radio working. We're going to turn around and see how this Chevelle does. have the knee knocker tack in this car, knee knocker tack in the car. So, forgot to mention that, but it does have it there. Car really runs and drives great. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running, driving car. We're going to turn around and head back here. And like I do every time, I'm going to have Dad get on it just a little bit. We'll see what this Chevelle's made of. The 396 5-speed 12-bolt. We got a little bit of traffic coming here. So, show you the blinkers working while he does that. There's that side. There's that side. Both sides are working. All the gauges are working in the dash. Like I said, it's just a super, super nice car. All right, we're gonna turn around and see how it does. Car really shifts good. It's got good power. Just an excellent running, driving car.
Yeah, the steering's really nice. Drives really nice. Good car.
Yep. Like I said, the only thing you'll have to do to the car is get you a shelf to put all the trophies on that you'll win with this car right here. But we're almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. It helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. Like I said, we do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. We're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.